Hi, this is Joe. I just want to sit there and revise my previous video that I had about the new DJI goggles. I learned recently from a viewer that I was having problems with the clarity and everything whatsoever when I was putting them on, and I couldn't really see anything whatsoever inside, and probably a lot of you couldn't see a lot of stuff inside. It was kind of blurry and everything whatsoever. Well, I learned out that the problem was my glasses. My glasses are readers, and basically they're 1.25 lenses, okay? And I was given a tip from a viewer, and what I did learn is that you need different lenses. You need different glasses when you're looking at these inside the goggles, for those of us that wear glasses for reading and whatnot. Okay, so previously I was talking about the fact is that when I was putting them on and I put them over my glasses, and I was having a hard time and I was fidgeting around and everything whatsoever, and I couldn't get them to focus or anything. So what happened was that I was like so pissed off and disappointed about them that I said, well, they're not really that good and everything whatsoever. You can't see anything, everything was looking blurry and everything. So what I learned was that from a viewer who gave me a great tip is it's the reading glasses. It's the glasses that you wear for us that wear glasses. So I took her suggestion or his suggestion. I wasn't exactly sure if it was a he or she. And what I did was that I was told that I needed to get different reading glasses. Now these are 1.25, and I was suggested that I get a much stronger glasses. So I went down to the dollar store. $1.06, including the tax. I bought 3.25s. I put them on. I went out. I started shooting. I put the goggles on. Everything. I adjusted my head. And then when I flipped down, everything looked fantastic. Everything looks great. You know, you put the new glasses on. You put the stronger readers on. You put them on. Now, it looked so stupid because I was so dumbstruck by everything. I got birds flying around my head, and I'm so busy about it. The thing is that, wow, when you put them glasses on, and bango, there is everything. It looks fantastic. It looks great. You do a little adjusting and everything whatsoever. Pull it down. See all the telemetry. Everything looks fantastic. Now, like I said, everything looks great. I have my new glasses, $1.06 at the dollar store, 3.25. So, whatever your prescription is, I would suggest you almost double it. Try them out, see how it looks inside the glasses. I put them on, like I said, brought them down, fired everything up, and I went, wow. It sits tight. It's nice. Okay. Still a little bit of light in here, but I'm going to be honest with you. When I'm flying around, the light really didn't matter. I could really see it. You can adjust the brightness settings inside the settings and everything whatsoever of the goggles, but it really looked great. So the quick fix really is these glasses. Now, me putting these glasses on like this and everything whatsoever, I can't see anything. I mean, where are you? Oh, hello. Are you there? Are you there? Oh, I can't see nothing. Everything looks blurry, but they are great. If I pull them down and look around and inside, fantastic. Looks great. To see the telemetry inside there, everything looked fantastic. I am so happy. Thumbs up. Thank you very much from the viewer. I will find out who it is that was the viewer that gave me the information and everything, because I deleted my last video and I was so embarrassed and everything whatsoever. So basically, if you're watching, please send me a comment and I'll put your name in there, and I will tell everybody what a fantastic job. You really solved the problem to a major situation, because I was going to return these goggles. I was going to take them off and sit there and just return them, but I'm actually happy now. Absolutely 100% happy with the goggles now. They sit nice. When I have them, I can sit there and see the focus. I don't have to do any more fidgeting or anything whatsoever. looking and trying to sit there and say, oh, I can't see this clearly. And it really pissed me off because I was about to send them back. I was sitting there saying, well, fix the problem, get the goggles right. They are a 100% improvement over anything else out there. Much better than Fat Shark's. Bigger screen, looks fantastic. Thumbs up. Definitely worth the $450, $449, whatever the hell you're paying for them. I got mine from Drone World. They called me, like I said, and I said, yeah, I'm ready, I'm game and everything. But simple fix. Clarity problem. People are probably talking about clarity problems out there. It is the glasses that you wear. If you have to wear glasses, you have to get almost double the power that you need to sit there and get the clarity inside the screen. These work. It looks fantastic, like I said. Couldn't be happier. Wonderful. Oops, sorry. And I'm in love with them. See, the hearts are all around. Woo, here I am, happy as clam. Fantastic. Looking forward to using them again. And I hope you do too. And if you have any questions or anything whatsoever, please send me a comment or an email or whatever, and I'll be happy to answer for you. But thumbs up. They did a good job. There are some glitchy things in there and stuff like that. You know, you just get navigating with the menu because, you know, sometimes the you're touching the touch screen over here, and I'm not getting into all the technical stuff like everybody else does and everything. But the clarity thing is what I really wanted to clear up. That was my major issue, and it really worked for me, and I'm very happy about it. And all it was is a $1.06 at the dollar store, guys and ladies. It was absolutely wonderful. So thanks for watching.